Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 10 selling hairdryer of now. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your opinions are highly valued.
Product review. Hot Tools Pro Artist 1875BIC Turbo Hairdryer. Introducing the Hot Tools Pro Artist 1875BIC Turbo Ionic Dryer, your ultimate hairstyling companion. Ionic technology, banish, frizz, and achieve salon-worthy blowouts. Lightweight design, effortless styling that's gentle on your arms. Versatile performance, 6 heat speed options cater to all hair types. Long-lasting results, cold start button sets your style for maximum hold. Professional grade, trusted by stylists for over 3-day dating.
1 minute product review introducing the Hot Tools Pro Artist Tourmaline 2000 Turbo Hairdryer, your secret weapon for a salon-quality blowout at home. Key features: Ionic technology, say goodbye to frizz and hello to shiny, healthy hair. Ultra lightweight, effortlessly dry and style without straining your arms. Spousing 875-watt airflow, powerful enough to tame even the thickest, curliest hair. 6 heat speed settings, customize your drying experience for various hair types and textures. Long-lasting performance, cold shot button sets hairstyles for longer hold, while the removable lint filter keeps it running smoothly. Trusted by professional stylists, the Hot Tools Pro Artist Hairdryer transforms drying into a hydrating spa treatment with its pre-moisture system. Experience salon-worthy results with every blowout. Headline: Introducing the Andis AN75BIC Ionic Professional Bonnet Hairdryer Body. Introducing the Andis AN75BIC Ionic Professional Bonnet Hairdryer, designed to enhance your hairstyling experience with advanced features and exceptional performance. Features: Ionic technology, dries hair faster with less frizz and damage, adjustable heat and speed, 2 heat speed settings plus cold option for gentle drying and maximum styling flexibility. 3 flexible hose with easy lock extends reach and allows for easy movement. Volumizing vent brush attachment enhances volume and creates beautiful styles. Compact design with retractable handle minimizes storage space. Jumbo size drawstrings adjust to fit in head size securely. Benefits: faster drying can save valuable time while getting salon-worthy hair. Less frizz and damage protect your hair from heat and styling stress. Versatile styling, create various hairstyles with adjustable heat and speed settings. Convenient use, flexible hose and retractable handle provide ease of use. Compact storage, keep your hair organized and out of sight when in use. Technical specifications: built-in 125 volts frequency, 60 Hz power, 500 watts. Transform your hair routine with the 1745 Ionic Professional Bonnet Hairdryer. Order yours today is Diffuser. Tokyo QC and experience the ultimate hair care solution. CHIA 1875 Series Advanced Ionic Compact Hairdryer. Introducing the CHIA 1875 Series Advanced Ionic Compact Hairdryer, the ultimate styling solution for effortless, frizz-free hair. INFINITIPRO Advanced Ionic technology for ultra-fast drying, compact design for easy storage and portability. Ionic innovation reduces frizz and enhances shine. 3 heat, 2 speed settings for customizable styling, and clean technology, free for clean airflow, and reduce benefits. Say goodbye to hours of styling and hello to sleek, smooth hair. Reduce frizz and flyaways for a polished look. Enjoy a powerful and lightweight dryer. Clean airflow ensures optimal performance. Treat yourself to the professional grade hair care experience at home with the CHIA 1875 Series Advanced Ionic Compact Hairdryer, the perfect tool for effortless salon quality results.
Headline: Elevate your hair care with INFINITIPRO by Conair's revolutionary hairdryer body. Introducing the ultimate hair drying solution, the INFINITIPRO by Conair Hairdryer. Boasting an impressive 1875-watt AC motor, this dryer delivers unparalleled airflow for lightning-fast drying and extended lifespan. Its innovative titanium ceramic technology harnesses infrared heat for optimal drying efficiency while minimizing hair damage. Unleash versatile styling options with the included Diffuser and Concentrator. The Diffuser enhances textured styles, while the Concentrator ensures smooth, frizz-free blowouts. A removable lint filter promotes effortless maintenance and maximizes motor longevity, while the true cold shot button securely locks in curls, waves, and styles. Engineered for professional-grade performance, the INFINITIPRO by Conair Hairdryer empowers you to achieve salon-worthy results at home. Its ergonomic velvet touch handle provides comfort during use, while the rose gold accents add a touch of sophistication. Experience the pinnacle of hair care technology and elevate your daily routine with the INFINITIPRO by Conair Hairdryer.
1-minute review of TYMO Hairdryer headline. Introducing TYMO's revolutionary hairdryer for zero heat damage and fast-drying body. Unlock the secret to healthy, beautiful hair with the Timeo Air Hype light hairdryer. Experience zero heat damage thanks to its intelligent T-sensor technology, ensuring consistent heat to prevent over-drying. Achieve salon-like blowouts in a flash with the high-powered 110,000 RPM motor, delivering a strong airflow that cuts drying time significantly. Customize your styling with the innovative magnetic attachments, including the VersaCurl diffuser for volumizing and curl defining, and the Silk Glide comb for straightening. The Turbo Airflow Concentrator provides precise styling for a flawless finish. Despite its powerful performance, the Timeo Air Hype light hairdryer is remarkably lightweight and compact, weighing just Enjoy effortless styling on the go with its whisper-quiet operation, creating a peaceful experience. Call to action. Upgrade your hairstyling routine today with the Timeo Air Hype light hairdryer. Visit the link below to experience zero heat damage, fast drying, and customizable styling. Technical specifications: voltage 120 volts, 60 Frizz power, 100 W motor, 110,000 RPM brushless motor, airflow 23 minutes, wait, and noise level less than 70 dB. Another curl collective weight has been 875-watt Ionic ceramic hair dryer, introducing Titanic hair solution from naturally your hair. Conair the curl collective 1875-watt Ionic ceramic hair dryer. With its high torque motor and ceramic technology, this dryer minimizes frizz and reduces hot spots for healthier, shinier hair. Control the ion flow to suit your desired style, from smoother textures to voluminous curls. Customize your blow drying experience with 6 heat peak settings and a cool shot button to lock in your style. Enhance your roots with the volume pick attachment or achieve sleek, defined looks with the Concentrator. Maximize your curl potential by pairing this dryer with the Curl Collective Curly or Coily Diffuser, sold separately. Technical specifications: high torque motor for fast drying, ceramic technology reduces heat damage, Ionic technology reduces frizz by 75%, ion choice for customizable styling, 6 heat speed settings, cool shot button, volume pick, and concentrator attachments. Join the Curl Collective and embrace your natural beauty. This revolutionary dryer is your key to effortless, salon-quality curls at home.
Introducing the Conair 175-watt turbo hair dryer in blue black. This powerful dryer features 1,875 watts of power with a lightweight DC motor that delivers fast drying and a long lifespan. Ionic technology reduces frizz and leaves hair looking shiny and smooth. With 2 heat and 2 speed settings plus a cool shot button, you can customize your styling experience. The diffuser attachment is perfect for curly or wavy hair, while the concentrator attachment creates sleek, straight styles. The ergonomic design and convenient hanging ring make this dryer easy and comfortable to use. Conair has been a leader in hair dryers since 1959, offering a wide range of high-quality products for all hair types and styles. Technical specifications: power 1875 watts motor, lightweight DC motor, Ionic technology, reduces frizz and leaves hair shiny, 2 heat and 2 speed settings, cool shot button, diffuser attachment, concentrator attachment, hanging ring imported.
Review title: Panasonic AN75BIC hair dryer, nourish and dry your hair in style. Review content: introducing the Panasonic AN75BIC hair dryer, a high-tech hair care tool that delivers both powerful drying and nourishing benefits. Feasting drying, Nanocare technology, penetrates nanoe deep into the hair to improve health and restore HeatSpeed. Pro speed setting for customized styling, converted electric. Plugs and other standard outlets for convenience, lilac or pink. Stunning and sophisticated design technical specifications. Power supply. AC about to go for 866 is power consumption. Lambda correct with zero volume 1.6 5 warm air temperature. RX. 95 Celsius. Cord of length 4.1 minutes dimensions. Recorded to a 10 centimeters at 14.8 centimeters at 7.4 centimeters weight per 550 grams. This hairdryer is a must-have for those who value both healthy hair and a stylish touch. This advanced technology nourishes and dries your hair, leaving it silky, shiny, and effortlessly styled.
1 minute review introducing the Rusk Engineering Super Freak Ceramic and Tourmaline Professional 2000 watt hair dryer, the ultimate tool for salon quality hair at home. Ceramic and tourmaline infusion for reduced drying time and frequent charcoal, pandules tilescos mewa esaling AC mover, show clear airflow, and pressure setting heat and speed settings with cold shot for customized low styling removable filter and 9-foot power cord for the convenience technical specification. Short name. HGE pieces. 40 veterans fighting Ionic title. Rusk Engineering Super Freak Ceramic and Tourmaline Professional 2000 watt hairdryer. A bit designed for a salon but great for home. Use ceramic and tourmaline infused reduced drying time 2000 watt Italian AC motor ceramic grill. Infused with tourmaline 7 heat and speed settings with cold shot removable filter and 9 feet power cord. Includes 2 concentrator nozzles. Note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. International use may require an adapter or inverter